Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Today guys, we again will take a look at the euro currency. Well, once I have started to prepare this update, this market just slumped down, just a blink of an eye, and currently situation is developing very fast. But shortly speaking guys, it seems that we should forget about the upside continuation here. Even previously we have mentioned that by its view, this action definitely is the retracement, because you can see a lot of overlapping candles, very deep retracements every day. So you can see that the next black candle deeply penetrates the range or trading range of the previous session, even almost the 80-90% of the previous range. So you can see deep retracement, upside action, engulfing, again overlapping. So right now, as you can see, this market is moving down. So, but major thought here is that market in fact has failed to pass through the 50% level. So we know that the euro currency likes the 50% levels. Previously we have hoped that maybe market will complete the harmonic swing here, but this hasn't happened. You can see market right now has failed here and turned down, and this action is really fast. So it could mean that market is returning right back down to the downward direction, and the position of the euro currency right now is very fragile, since if you'll take a look at the high time frame charts, you will find that market in fact has no significant supports till the next target. And the next target on the monthly chart, we have discussed it within a couple of months already, it's 122 even area. And it could happen that current move down is mostly the starting action to the downside. Because if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we'll see that here we discussed this possible ABCD pattern to the upside and possible free drive. Although theoretically these lows hasn't been taken out yet, and the theoretical chances exist that market could just rebound and show the fast action to the upside. This really could happen. But speaking more realistically, so you can see this market has failed to pass through this resistance. That's the weekly pivot resistance one, that's daily 50% level. It's also the butterfly pattern. And the major idea is that as weekly pivot resistance one has held the market from the further upside action, it means that the previous bear trend is still valid. Because we know that the weekly pivot resistance one holds upside retracements. So that's some sort of the edge between the breaking of the trend and just a retracement. As a pivot resistance one holds this action, it means that this is just a retracement. And by its way, you can see it's very choppy action. There's a lot of bouncing, deep retracements, spikes, and so on. So that is really choppy, and it's really, even by its nature, it even looks like the retracement. So now, right now, we see the plunge down, and market, you can see very fast has returned right back below the weekly pivot point by the end of the week. It means that the bearish sentiment is still valid, and currently probably we'll start to think about the possible taking the short position with the target is 122, because current retracement has happened. We respect of this support area. It's a butterfly, and monthly pivot support one probably is closing to an end. So probably market could really continue move lower. But for the more guarantee, it's probably better to wait when the market will take out of these lows. In this case, we will destroy as the upside ABCD as potential free drive, so market just will move below the lows of the potential second drive, and that will be just more confidence that market is turning to the downward direction. Well, that's why right now it's not much to do here. Again, it's probably it looks like the retracement up was ended, and probably market turned to the downside. Besides, if guys we still will looking at this at some goofy head and shoulders pattern, it's also very bad sign for this pattern, because market hasn't even completed ABCD pattern based on the head and the shoulder, and failure in fact right at the neckline. entering to the downside, and taking out of these lows will be simultaneously the taking out of the bottom of the right shoulder. That's also very negative for reverse head and shoulders pattern. That's why that will be probably the major point for today. If market will pass through it, that will give us more confidence that market really continue move lower. In the weekend, we will take the close look on the euro currency. We'll see what is going on in the higher time frame charts. If of course we will not find something more interesting on other currency pairs. But right now it seems that the euro currency is rather interesting. So let's see what will happen.